Hey scrappers, Tom here from the iScrap app, and we all live somewhere. So let's talk about common things that are inside of our houses, apartments, campers, RVs, wherever it is that you live that you can scrap that you may not think about. Before we do that, don't forget to subscribe and like our videos so you can get more tips on scrap. So let's look at some things that are inside of a house and let's talk about things. We've talked about a lot of stuff before. Ovens, refrigerators, computers, wire. But here are a few items that you may have in your house or find in other people's garage sales from their homes, local Facebook marketplace ads, things like that where you can make money. Right off the bat, let's go into the cooking section. Your pots and pans, right? Everyone loves grandma's lasagna and grandma's old pan. It still has value. You know, even if you take a magnet and you stick it to it and it sticks, it's still steel and you can throw it into your light iron pile. But having that magnet is super helpful because as you go through the pots and pans, you might find one that doesn't stick. Now this one is copper. Now look what this customer did. You can see this was from a garage sale. They came in and told us they bought these 3 pieces from a garage sale. They took the bolts and the handles off. They bought it for $2. We're talking about 5 pounds of copper right here. $2, 5 pounds of copper. Let's just say it's $3. That's a pretty good ROI, good return on investment, right? You make 15 bucks on a $2 purchase. Think about it. How many times have you either held a garage sale or gone to a garage sale and you just see dollar signs? $1, $2. People just want their stuff gone. They don't care about the money. They just don't want to repack it. So this is an awesome area for you to make more money on. And the same goes for this. This is a silver coated on top of brass piece that would hold pots and pans like this, right? Might be decorative, might be for heat. But again, another thing, have your magnet. And oftentimes we've had customers tell us that they go to garage sales with their magnet kind of hidden in their hand like that. They just kind of hit stuff and they go, oh, it doesn't stick. $1 and they pick it up and they know what a pound or 2 feels like, and immediately they could buy 2 items here, 3 items there. Same thing goes for flea markets, a great place to find little scrap finds from people's homes that you can cash in on. Now, while this stuff is worth money, you want to watch out because there are like fool's items that will trick you. So many people will think, oh my gosh, look at this great piece of copper wire I found. There's copper right on the ends. I can see it, it's copper. Wrong. Copper coated on top of steel, and this is coax. This is what, some people don't even know because they're only streaming stuff nowadays, but this is how we used to have our TVs hooked up in our houses from the cable boxes. Well, these are not copper wires. They're copper coated steel, coax, and there's steel going throughout this. How do I know? My handy dandy magnet. Let's watch what happens when I get close. You see how it sticks? It's not a heavy pull, but you can see that the braid that's kind of hidden under there is steel, and so is the end. So you don't want to get fooled by things like this. Other things that you can find at garage sales. Do you remember Grandpa? Remember Grandpa's downstairs basement or his backyard tool shed? And Grandpa always needed valves to fix the plumbing, a spool of copper wire to fix his electrical because Grandpa always did it himself. That's an awesome place to find scrap. Unfortunately, my grandfather passed a few years ago. When they went through the basement, they found over 15 pounds of little brass fixtures that he had saved to replace his hose, to fix something under the sink, an old faucet that was never replaced. There's lots of little treasures that are out there. And that's the fun part about scrapping. You got to go find those treasures. Use your file, use your brain, and use some of these videos to help you. Any other items we missed, let us know and we'll make a video on those. But until next time, like and subscribe to our page, and I'll scrap you later.